Alam mo naman namin. Tayo, balik na.
Hello.
Better late than never. I forgot to thank the teachers, all faculty members and staff. Thank you so much. Receive my
Mamaya daw, kakanta pa.
Manalo Bon George M., the son of Mr. Ildefonso M. E. Manalo and Ms. Marisa M. Manguera. He is a recipient of Academic Excellence Award with Honors, rank 91.5 and Perfect Attendance Award. Mendoza Tricia Nicole A., the daughter of Mr. Nicanor C. Mendoza and the former Ms. Teresa L. Atienza. She is a recipient of Academic Excellence Award with High Honors, rank 18 and Perfect Attendance Award. Montalvo Andre M., the son of Mr. Peter Anthony Montalvo and the former Ms. Marife Manguia. He is a recipient of Academic Excellence Award with Honors, rank 49. Montales Renz Angelo E.,